In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen on Google Meet using a laptop or PC. Whether you're hosting a meeting, presenting a slideshow, or walking through a document, sharing your screen effectively is crucial for clear communication. Let's walk through this process together to ensure it's crystal clear for you. First, let's get started by opening your browser and typing in meet.google.com. If you prefer, you can also open your Google Meet app directly. This will bring you to the main Google Meet page. Once there, you'll see the option to enter an existing meeting. Look for where it says enter a code or link and click on it. This is where you'll input the meeting code if you have one, or paste the meeting link provided to you. After entering your code or link, go ahead and click join. Depending on the meeting settings, you might see a prompt to ask to join. This happens if the meeting requires approval from the host, so simply click on that and wait for the host to approve your entry. Once granted access, click on the button that says Join Now. This will officially bring you into the meeting room. Here, you're ready to start sharing your screen. To do this, look at the bottom of the screen where you'll find the option labeled Present Now. Clicking this gives you a few choices in how you'd like to share your screen. You can choose to share a specific tab, a specific window, or your entire screen. Each option serves different needs. For example, if your focus is solely on a presentation file or a document you have open, a window might be the way to go. However, if you need to navigate between multiple apps or files during your presentation, opting for your entire screen will likely be most convenient. After deciding the best fit for your presentation, select the tab, window, or screen you wish to share. With your choice made, click Share. This will bring your desired section onto the meeting screen for everyone to view clearly. Now, at any point if you wish to stop sharing your screen, simply find and click the Stop Sharing button. It's conveniently located, making it easy to intervene swiftly if required. An additional feature you should know about is sharing while someone else is presenting. You have the flexibility to start sharing, which automatically pauses their presentation. This function is beneficial for scenarios requiring dynamic presentation shifts or multiple presenters. And there you have it, you've smoothly and effectively learned how to share your screen using Google Meet. With these steps, you'll ensure your presentations proceed without a hitch. Happy presenting!